Meet Jake. He loves reading, but he's usually quite busy, so he reads on the subway on his way to work. However, Jake's been dealing with an inconvenience. He's not very happy with the latest books he's read. Now this is Daniel. He's a sophisticated guy with fine taste in music, books, and wines. He likes telling his friends about the things he discovers, and they love what he recommends. That's why everyone thinks of him as a good influencer. And this is Olivia. She loves shopping, surfing the web, and social networks. Olivia can be considered a discount hunter due to the large amount of online shopping she's been doing. Jake, Daniel, and Olivia are friends, and they enjoy hanging out together. One day, in a bar downtown, they found a way of helping each other out. They discovered Myrex, a user-friendly social platform that allows them to recommend products to their online friends and accumulate rec points for each recommendation that turns into a sale. Using Myrex, Daniel is valued and rewarded for his recommendations. He can unlock badges related to the type of product he recommends. Well done, Daniel. You're a great sommelier. At Myrex, Olivia can redeem her rec points for gift cards at her favorite online stores. You go, girl. You deserve it. Likewise, Jake is very pleased to discover amazing books suggested by Daniel as well as by other friends. Way to go, Jake. Now it's your turn. Visit Myrex and find out about your friends' recommendations, make your own, and get great deals from our online partner stores. What do you recommend?